What's up, my viewers and subscribers? Welcome. Alright, this will deal in the day here. Octopus and fish. Yeah? So you're going to see how I deal with the octopus and the fish, guys. We put them to. Whoa! Alright. This guys in the day here. So you want to know. I'm going to boil my octopus. Alright, yeah man. And them things you're going to deal with. So you don't know me have to boil off my octopus and things, so I can't do it. Alright, yeah man. I eat that. And then back up the day. So you don't know I'm going to boil off the octopus. So stay with me if you see what I'm going to do with the octopus and the fish in the day. Yeah. You don't know I love seafood. Seafood is my thing. Once you say seafood, you call my name. Alright guys, so some spicy roast fish I'm going to do here. So I'm going to use my cayenne pepper. I already have some scotch bonnet pepper in the pot, few garlic cloves, and I'm dashing in a spoon of cayenne pepper. And I have some rosemary. So I'm going to dash in my alrighty. I'm not even gonna take that back up. Guys, go back and watch my video and you will see how to clean up your octopus. I have two full videos that I show you how to clean up your octopus. So I just go ahead and clean up this one. So yeah man, we're going to boil that off a little water hot. Alrighty. Using some onion, and we're also using some ginger and some garlic cloves, and guys, my scotch bonnet pepper, because it's spicy roast fish, you know. So you know them big boy don't play. You see how much of them do? All of them here I'm going to use, you know. Alright. So we just deal with the season basically. Seed and everything we use. So I eat that, guys. So we're going. I just blend some garlic and ginger in my container here. So basically I'm going to blend the same thing, so I don't wash it out. Yeah, I just do a dish before this using some garlic and ginger. So guys, we basically a season up our blended season right about now. Dashing in some fish season, some cayenne pepper, black pepper. And now we're going to drizzle some oil in that. Don't want our fish to dry out. Yeah, next we're going to put some lemon juice. We're just gonna go right ahead and mix that up and mix it well. Some salt, guys, adding some salt to our season mix. Then I'm gonna go right ahead, add some butter, And we're just going to mix that up again. So I'm just gonna put this aside and so octopus is finished, so I'm just cutting it in some small size. So we're on to our next fish now. On to our next fish, guys. Same procedure. And we're going to make sure we rub all that season in this slit here. We need our fish to be flavorful. We're not missing out none of it, you know. Not miss out nothing. Booms to the other side. Same procedure. From the tail right up. Alrighty. Alrighty, so me say season your fish head and in the gut of the fish. I'm just gonna put my hands, my finger to massage in those seasoning up and down, all over in the head. That's it, and then we're gonna stuff some thyme, some springtime, right on time, right in there. Next, we're gonna stuff it with our octopus, guys. New menu, new dish. So we're just gonna stuff that. Fill him up at the octopus. Right in there. Squeeze down on it. Just like that. So we're going to just gently wrap this one as well. Alright, so we're moving over to our file wrap now. This is how we deal with the fish with our banana leaf. So we're going to each and every one of them. Make sure that it's properly wrapped in, locked in those flavor. Alright, so I will that. So guys, these are going on the outside. I'm going to use the grill outside. So catch you on the outside, alrighty? Alrighty, we are on the outside, guys. As usual, if you hear any noise, any breeze, because the wind is very heavy. Alrighty, so we're gonna put our fish right in the jerk pan right here on the outside. Yeah, man. So I'm gonna rest it down right here. So, alright, so we're going to start them on the grill right now. Alright, so I hit that. We're going to close this down, penetrate through there. Bam! Up and ready, guys. These fish are firing. Fire blazing hot. So if you want to know, I'm not going to get my hand burned up enough. So. Alright, I have some sweet potato here, guys. I'm going to just roast it. A hit we are going to mash up with the roast fish in the day, yeah? You hear that, guys? And start pop already. Pop, 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 pop. So, I eat this, guys. You just scrape him off, you know, nice and easy.
Soft. Ooh. Wow. Can't move no anymore. Jay can't move now.